everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we're going to do a look with a new palette I got from Bare Minerals. It's the Gen Nude Natural Oasis. And it came with a lippy called Heartbreaker. So I'm going to open this up and see what it looks like. I have not tried any of these Gen Nude palettes yet. A couple of them have caught my eye, but this one, I mean, it just looked precious, and I was like, what the heck, we gonna try it out. We gonna try it out. And what really caught my attention was that matte green. Of course, you know me and you know green. All right, and then the lip is one of their buttercream, I think they call them lip glosses. And it's, we'll see what we think. It might go in Nuna's box. All right, so I don't have any foundation on right now, and actually what I'm going to do is do a really light coverage type thing. So when I want to do this, I use my Renew Hope in a Jar from Philosophy. This is the tinted moisturizer. This lasts forever. If you don't have it, you should, because it's that wonderful. And I actually have a brush for it somewhere that I cannot. There it is. And it comes with this little brush if you order it off of QVC, which I always do. And it just puts, you know, it's like a BB cream. It just puts some tint to your skin. I mean, like, I'm barely touching it. You can barely see any on here. And seriously, when I do this, like, it's when I'm in a rush to get out the door and get going. Because it has a moisturizer in it, I don't normally moisturize my face and do this. Sometimes I do, just because there's times I moisturize it right when I come out of the shower, but Sorry, I have to drink a little bit of water. Once again, I am ill. We're going to try and go as fast as we can go because my camera is like giving me the are you friggin' crazy look. So I'm just going to go in and bronze my face a little bit. This is my MAC Gimme Sun. And this, like I said, this is just what I normally do when I'm super late, which in the middle of the week, sometimes that's the case. I have this thing about being late. I hate it. I can be late to like anything, like a party or something like that, but work, oh god, I get stressed out. I'm like shaking and shit because I'm worried about it. Alright, I'm just going to put on a little bit of highlighter. That's pretty much all we're doing to our face other than our... And I'm going in with my Ofra... It's the Nikki Tutorials one. Everglow. And I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's the 3-color one. And normally I just mix it all up and go to town. So we are going to put a little bit of brow stuff on our brows. Not really doing anything but putting some brow gel on. Normally I would do my brows, but I don't feel like it. Sometimes I just don't feel like it. And I don't have a pencil here. I need to get one for here. I've got one at work I love. And I think it's, I want to say it's a Rimmel. And it's fabulous. And it's perfect. I just put some gel on and I kind of fill in with that. At least I don't think I have one here. I'm looking at the camera to see if it's going to tell me. You're out of time and fired immediately. I don't see one right here, which means it's wherever I have it, it's hidden. Okay, so, yeah, I'm going to go right into this palette. So I kind of know what I want to do with it, just because I've been thinking about it since I ordered it. So I'm going to go into this shade right here for my crease. I'm really trying to do my crease stuff again. Why does my face look like it's blue? Because it is. Please excuse my little cleaning cloth. You shithead. Gosh, language. Yeah, I've been filming a little bit today. So, alright. Taupey color, which is called Cabana, in the crease, just so it looks like we've got some blending going on, you know, blending. And then I have to work on uploading these videos. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to put the inner part of my eye on it, and we're going to go into the Sandy Beach, this really, really light shimmer shade. And it's not so light on my eyeballs. Probably didn't have to stick my finger in it like I did. Just felt like it was not going to perform that well. Felt dry, so I was giving it a little bit of attention. Alright, now we're going to go into this palm leaf, and I'm going to put it on the outside of my eyes, and I hope my eyes just pop. That's what I want. Yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm a green girl all the way through. Yeah. I just wanted to do a really simple look with it. You know, just, you know, like I said, what I would do if I was late for work, which is basically like a shimmer and a couple of mattes, and bam, I'm out the door. I normally would, though, do my eyebrows. I just don't feel like it. Alright, let's put some of this under our eye and get that taken care of. Yeah, I can think of a dress I have that this would be amazing with. Absolutely amazing. Don't want to put lashes on with this and mess it up. Alright, we're going to put a little bit of that Sandy Beach on the inside of our eye, just a tiny touch for a highlight. Tiny, tiny. Oh, it's just so me. Wait till you see the lime crime video with the blues. You'll understand. I am going to put a smidge, just a smidge of brows on, because the eyes just, they just turned out beautiful, and I was trying to save time because my camera's acting up. But we're not going to cut corners on my channel. You guys are like, bullshit. Alright, guys. That's better. That's my brows. You see them now. And like, even my brows, like, I just do a really quick brow when I'm getting ready to, you know. hover to work in my car. Alright, I am going to put, only because of the way this look is kind of turning out, I do want to put just a tiny smidge of blush on. This is the Ciate London blush. I'm just going to get this brush here. It's an e.l.f. Flawless Face brush. And this is very pigmented, so I just kind of want to blend everything together and, you know, make it look good. Make it look good, peeps. A wee bit of mascara. I don't even know that I would put eyelashes on with it. I don't want anything to take away from those eyes. My poor hair. It is getting harder for it to sit up because it's getting heavy and long. That's what I want. It's part of the growing process. Oh my. Okay, so like I said, just a little bit of mascara on, and then we're gonna put this lippy on, which is called Heartbreaker, and this is a gloss. I don't know, I really like that look. Very soft and springy and all of that. So, yeah. I like that palette. I got it on QVC. It's on sale right now. I think I paid like $29 for it, for the palette and the lippy. So, it's a really good deal. I will get this video up ASAP so that you guys can see it. Alright guys, I hope you love the look as much as I do. I'll see you guys soon. I love you so much. Mwah.